Darrell Brooks had a short appearance today in court. He's the man charged with driving his SUV through the Waukesha Christmas Parade, killing 6 people.
New at 5, Katie Crowther reports from Waukesha County Courthouse with why his hearing ended so abruptly.
The hearing started a half hour late because they had a hard time getting Brooks out of his jail cell. Once he was in the courtroom, his defense attorneys immediately asked for the hearing to be rescheduled because Brooks is in pain due to a tooth abscess.
His throat and his tooth and just his overall health today. So yeah, that's the request. If that request is denied, it's my understanding that Mr. Brooks would very much, his desire would be to be allowed to go back to his cell so he can lay down.
The prosecution raising concerns. During the last hearing a few weeks ago, Brooks had an outburst in court, then asked the judge if he could go back to his cell because he didn't want to be in court.
I think there's a lack of information here, such as when did this situation develop? Has he seen a dentist or other individuals who perhaps can provide some treatment? Was he offered a remedy like aspirin or other relief, ice pack, whatever it may take? I just want to ensure this is not a delay tactic, to be very blunt with the court.
Ultimately, after conferring in private with parade victim families, the judge agreed to reschedule the hearing because it will not impact the start of Brooks's trial set to begin October 3rd. One big thing happened before the hearing officially wrapped early. Brooks withdrew his plea of not guilty by reason of insanity, but didn't elaborate why.
Mr. Brooks, I'd like to discuss with you your decision to withdraw the special plea of not guilty by reason of mental disease or defect. Is that your desire, sir?
Yeah, I have my own reasons why.
Legal experts believe doctors must not have found enough evidence for Brooks to be able to qualify for that not guilty by reason of insanity plea. His plea now is just not guilty. As for the hearing that was canceled, it will be made up on Monday, September 19th. In that hearing, they will finalize the jury selection process. In Waukesha, Katie Crowther, TMJ4 News.